On the renovation, day 6 or 7?
Day 3 if you just count hourly. We've been working on it not many hours at a time, but yeah, six or so.
We've maybe worked on it 2 to 4 hours each time.
Yeah.
Not all the day. So this is the first day though that Stephen and I have been here together.
Probably not gonna go real well.
We have a history of arguing when we work on projects, so we'll see how this goes, but I need his help because he's stronger than I am, so we'll just see.
Let's do it.
So we finally got this little closet out. Stephen's going out with it now. As far as unhooking it wasn't a big deal. It just had several lights and plugs and extra stuff that evidently a previous owner had put in, and doing it with the camper not hooked up so you don't get electrocuted, but some of the wires were still kind of hot anyways. So at this moment, looking back, I'm standing at the very back of the trailer, and that's so this bathroom is all we like for us taking down, and then the water stuff we'll have to just keep working. So from lack of better knowledge, taking out the shower pan first, before we remove the walls. We just assumed that the shower needs to come out first. So that's what Stephen's now doing. I removed all the little caps last night before we left, and then we're going with the shower. And while he is doing that, I'm going to try to work on taking out, let me shut this door. I'm going to work on taking out the little stuff by hand, such as the lights here, these little window toppers, the curtain rods, everything else that kind of needs to be done. We'll have to get the AC out. We'll have to get these windows out, vents out. Everything has to come out. So the goal is to have it all out today. And then today marks week 1. So we'll see how we can get all this done. The floor was laid over a lot of these pieces here. The floor was laid over a lot of these pieces here, so you had to pull up the floor, get to the screws to remove the wall. So that's what we're currently doing. improvise.
Ain't gonna work.
It's not working. So far it seems like the tub and the commode have been the two most challenging things to remove. We don't plan on reusing either one of those. Some of our tools are still at home. We're gonna probably just get a hacksaw and saw the bottom of this drain to be able to pull this shower out. We've tried to unscrew the drain, but it's pretty stuck. The commode, he finally got it. So he was able, hang on, Stephen.
Anybody need a commode?
No, so he was able to remove 2 screws there and then some bolts down here way underneath there. That's how he got it up. But it was not the easiest he's done.
It wasn't bad. Figured it out though.
Once you figured out where everything was, it wasn't so bad, he said. So we're still making progress. We might have to end up coming back to do the shower. Things are coming on down. We got it all out except for the shower. We'll have to saw off that pipe. We're gonna have to detach these vent pipes from the roof, on top of the roof. So all we like is the little bit of floor down there in the living room, removing the air conditioner, the vent pipes, the lights, and the windows trims, and we shall be able to start taking down end caps and the skins. So I know it may be heavier. We really like the shiplap look, just like bare wood, but I'm going to have to do some research on how much weight that will add to the trailer if we did that. We shall see.